Good morning students. Today I'll teach you the remaining part of mole concept. Okay. In the previous topic we have learned about the mole, gram atomic mass unit. Now we'll give you some more examples related to mole concept. Number 1. Find number of moles of oxygen atom present in 64 grams of oxygen. Find number of moles of oxygen atom present in 64 grams of oxygen atom. You can find out by unitary method. As we all know, 1 mole of oxygen atom equals to 16 gram of oxygen. 16 gram equals to 1 mole. 1 is 1 by 16 and 64 gram will be 1 by 16 into 64, that is 4 moles. Okay. In this way we can find out the number of moles present in 64 gram of oxygen. Okay. From this, by this we can get a very important formula, that is number of moles equals to mass given by molar mass or gram atomic mass. See here, mass given is 64. Molar mass is 16. We all know the molar mass of oxygen is 16, and from here we can get the number of moles present in certain amount of atoms. Okay. We have some more examples. See, find number of moles of atom present in 28 gram of nitrogen atom. In your question paper, the atomic mass of atoms will be given. Okay. So here the number of mass given is what? 28. So mass given 28 and the molar mass of nitrogen is 14. The number of moles 28 by 14, that is 2 moles. Here 32 grams of sulfur atom, mass given is 32 and the molar mass of sulfur is 32 divided and we'll get 1 mole. Here 14 gram of hydrogen atom, 14 by 1. Here the mass given 14 and the molar value of hydrogen atom is 1 and 14. Okay. In this way we can find out the number of moles present in atoms. Now see, one molecule of nitrogen molecule. Okay, nitrogen, one molecule of nitrogen, that means it has N2, it has 2 atoms. If the molar atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, what will be the molecular mass? Just multiply it by 2, 28 AMU. Okay, this is called molecular mass. And if 1 mole has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, then though it has 9 and 2, 28, so 28 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 1.67, the mass of nitrogen molecule will become 28 gram, and this is called gram molecular mass. Okay. See, in 1 mole of oxygen molecule, here 1 mole of oxygen molecule, 2 atoms of oxygen here. Though the value of 1 atom's mass is 16, then what will be the value of 2 atoms? 16 into 2, that is 32 grams, and this is called gram molecular mass or molar mass. Fine. You can find out the ozone's mass also. Ozone have how many atoms? O3, 3 atoms, and the atomic mass of 1 oxygen atom is 16. Though it has 3 atoms, so it will just multiply it by 3 and the answer will be 48. Okay. So in this way we can find out the number of molecular mass of certain molecules. I have given so many examples. See, find the molar mass of nitrogen. We all know the nitrogen's molar mass is 14. Nitrogen molecule N2, though it has 2 atoms, so 2 into 14. Phosphorus, 1 atom, the value of the molecular mass of the molar mass of phosphorus is 31 gram. Hydrogen molecule, hydrogen 1, 2 atoms are there, 2. Oxygen 16, 2 atom of oxygen, 32. Sulfur 32. In this way we can find out the molar mass. Okay. See, some numericals are here. Find number of moles of oxygen molecule in 64 gram of oxygen gas. See here, oxygen O2. Okay. So how will you find out this sum? Same, number of moles, mass given by molar mass. Number of moles asking, mass given is 64 and molar mass 16. No, it has 2 oxygen atom. So what you will write here? 32. Okay, 16 into 2, 32, and you will get the answer 64 by 32, 2 moles. Fine. Find number of atoms of carbon present in 24 grams of carbon. Here asking the number of atoms. Okay, number of atoms, whatever they will ask, you have to find out first number of moles. Number of moles, how will you find out? Mass given by molar mass. Mass given 24, molar mass of carbon is 12. Okay, and here we'll get 2 moles. That means in 24 gram of carbon atom, how many moles are present? 2 moles present. As they are asking the number of atom, we know 1 mole means how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Then 2 moles equals to, just multiply it by 2 and you will get the answer. This is the mathematical part you will do by your own self. Okay. Now I will explain you that how will you find out the molecular mass. See, H2SO4. Okay, sulfuric acid. How will you find out the molecular mass of sulfuric acid? Hydrogen, H2, 2 atoms of hydrogen present here, and you know the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, though it has 2 atoms, 2. Sulfur's atomic mass 32 plus 32. Oxygen, how many oxygen atom present? 4, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 16 into 4, and finally we'll get the answer 98. So its molecular mass is what? 98. Okay. Now see the question. Moles of sulfuric acid molecule. Here asking the moles. How will you find out the moles? Moles you will find out by number of moles by equals to mass given by molar mass. Mass given is 98 and the molar mass is 98, and how many moles are present? 1 mole present. Okay. Now moles of sulfur atom. Moles of sulfur atom, though we have 1 mole of sulfuric acid, in 1 mole of sulfuric acid 1 mole of sulfur present. Okay, 1 mole of sulfur present, so I will write here 1 mole of sulfur atom. Number of sulfur atom, number, though we all know that we have how many moles of sulfur here? 1 mole of sulfur here, and 1 mole contains how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So easy. Moles of atom of hydrogen. Okay, in 1 mole of sulfuric acid, how many moles of hydrogen present? 2 atoms of hydrogen present, that means 2 moles of hydrogen. We will write here 2 moles of hydrogen atoms. Mass of sulfur atom, here asking the mass. Okay, we know the number of moles of sulfur here 1. Mass we have to find out. Molar mass we know 32, and by cross multiplication we'll get the mass of sulfur, that is by this method we are taking X as mass of sulfur. By molar mass 32, just cross multiply it with 1 and we'll get the value of X, 32. Okay, the mass of sulfur is what? 32. Moles of oxygen atom, here see, in sulfuric acid how many atoms are present, how many oxygen atoms are present? 4, so mole will be 4. Okay, gram atom of hydrogen. What do you mean by gram atom? Gram atom is nothing but mole. Okay, so here how many atoms of hydrogen present? 2, so gram atom will be 2 moles. Okay, don't get confused with gram atom and mole. Gram atom means mole. Understand? I hope you understand this. How will you find out the molecular mass of any molecules given? Okay. Now How will you find out the number of particles? Number of particles as well as number of moles present in certain number of particle. Here question is calculate the number of moles in this amount of number of helium atom. Okay, we all know 1 mole equals to this, or Avogadro's number. Number of moles equals to number given number of particle by Avogadro's number. Here given number of particle is this and the Avogadro's number is this, and by this we can find out the number of moles by particles. Okay, this is again another formula. Number of moles equals to given number of particle and Avogadro's number. Fine. You just note down the formulas together so that you can easily find out the sums. 1 mole sums. See, find mass of hydrogen atom present in 32 gram of methane. You can find out the molecular mass of methane. The formula of methane is CH4. Carbon's molecular mass is 12 and the 4 hydrogen atom present 4. Then molecular mass of methane is 16, and I have told you whatever they will ask you, you have to first find out the number of moles. The number of moles in 32 gram of methane you have to find out first. Mass given 32 and the molecular mass 16. Okay, you can easily find out the molecular mass by the formula. So here how many moles we are getting? 2 moles. Okay, that means in 32 gram of methane how many moles are present? 2 moles present. Okay, here asking the mass of hydrogen atom. Asking the mass of hydrogen atom. You have to find out the moles of hydrogen atom present in methane. How many moles of hydrogen atom present in methane? We have just done this type of question. This is 2 mole of methane and hydrogen atoms are present 4. So 2 into 4, that is 8. Okay. 1 mole of CH4 contain how many moles of hydrogen atom? 4 moles. So 2 will contain just 2 into 4. 8 gram of hydrogen atom. Number of moles, mass given by molecular mass. Okay, and in this way we can find out the number of mass of hydrogen atom present in methane. See the sums. Understand? Now we'll come to the gases. Okay, volume. Same as 1 mole of any atom contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole of any ideal gas occupies 22.4 liter. Okay, 1 mole of any ideal gas occupies how many liters? 22.4 liters, and this is called molar volume. This is called molar volume. Okay, molar volume at standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature 273 Kelvin and pressure will be 760 atmosphere 760 mercury pressure. Okay, at normal standard temperature 1 mole of any gas will occupy 22.4 liters, and this value is called molar volume. Okay, molar volume. So if 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters, then find the volume occupied by 3 moles of carbon dioxide. See, I am doing this sum. 22.4 liters, 3 moles, 22 into 4.4 into 3, 67.2. If 1 mole occupy 22.4 liter, then 3 mole will occupy 22.4 into 3 and 67.2 liters. I have done this sum. Okay, so easy. You have another formula, that is number of moles equals to volume given by molar volume. Volume given by molar volume. Find number of moles of ozone. Here asking the number of moles of ozone present in 5.6 liters of ozone gas at STP. Number of moles asking, number of moles, volume given 5.6 and the molar volume is what? 22.4 liter. Okay, and by this formula we will get the number of moles present in 5.6 liters of ozone gas. Okay, find number of hydrogen atom present in 11.2 liter of hydrogen gas, see H2 gas, and asking the number of hydrogen atoms present in 11.2 liter of hydrogen gas. Again we have to find out the number of moles. Number of moles of what? Hydrogen gas. Number of moles of hydrogen gas, here we have 11.2 liters volume given and the molar volume 22.4 liters, that is 0.5 moles. Hydrogen gas, here in 11.2 liters, how many moles are present? 0.5 moles are present. Okay, and they are asking H2 molecule, and here H2 molecule equals to how many atoms of hydrogen? 2 atoms. And if one atom contains 0.5 moles, then how many moles will be containing in the H2 molecule? You just multiply it with 2 because it is H2, 2 atoms, and finally we'll get 1 moles of hydrogen atom, and we all know 1 mole contains how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Don't get confused, huh? You will see the sums patiently, slowly. Will write it down. You just pause the video and see the solved question, solved answer, how I have solved it. And if you have any query, you just drop your question in my comment box. Okay. See, find the volume of 8 gram of oxygen gas. 8 gram of oxygen gas. Same, we have to find out the number of moles. Here I have found the number of moles here, that is mass given by molar mass, number of moles. I have to find out number of moles here. The mass given is 8, molar mass of oxygen is 16, and here the oxygen, we are finding the number of moles of oxygen gas, O2 molecule. So molar mass will be 32. So mass given by molar mass 1 by 4.25 moles of oxygen gas. Okay. Find the volume of 8 gram. Here asking the volume. We know the number of moles. Number of moles is 0.25. Volume given we have to find out. Molar volume we all know 22.4 liter, and from here we can get the volume of 8 gram of oxygen gas. See, 0.25 volume given we have to find out. Molar volume is 22.4 liters. You just cross multiplied it and finally we'll get the volume of 8 gram of oxygen gas. Okay. Find the volume occupied by 128 gram of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, SO2. Again you have to find out the molecular mass of sulfur dioxide. The sulfur's atomic mass is 32, though it has how many atoms? 2 atoms. So 16 into 2, 32, that is 64. So we have our molecular mass of sulfur dioxide 64. Number of moles equals to mass given by molecular mass given 128, molecular mass 64, and we have how many moles? 2 moles. Okay. So 1 mole occupy 22.4 liters, then 2 mole occupy 2 into 22.4, and the answer is 44.8 liters at STP. You have to mention it at STP, standard temperature and pressure. Okay. I hope you will like this video. You just pause the videos and you will solve the question. Try to solve the questions by your own self. If you need any help or if you have any another numerical, you can drop it in my comment box. Okay, and see through the mole concept in properly, because it is very important topic of our chemistry. Okay. um, Thank you so much.